Thomas Carrick, a troubled 13-year-old boy with autism, became the focal point of Australian law enforcement due to his fixation with ISIS. The police in Victoria took a therapeutic approach to this situation, but the Australian Federal Police had a different plan, a covert operation. This operation led to the arrest of young Carrick on terrorism charges. However, this case was far from straightforward. Controlled operations by the police, as seen in the Carrick case, require strict approval and reporting procedures under the Commonwealth Crimes Act of 1914. The police are allowed to engage in such operations, but they must tread carefully. Any misstep can lead to the undermining of the justice system itself. This is precisely what happened with Carrick. The Children's Court dismissed the charges against Carrick, citing that the police had groomed him for terrorist activities. But the dismissal of the charges was not because of this entrapment by police. Rather, it was due to the controlled operation being considered an abuse of process. This is a significant point in the discussion of entrapment in Australia. Despite entrapment not being a formal defence in the Australian judicial system, the court found that the police's actions had undermined the justice system, as the application for and execution of the operation was an abuse of justice system, leading to the dismissal of the charges. The Carrick case highlights the delicate balance required in law enforcement's use of covert operations. It shows that while the police have the power to conduct such operations, they must do so responsibly. If they overstep, as in the Carrick case, it can lead to the dismissal of charges, even in serious cases such as terrorism. In conclusion, while entrapment is not a formal legal defense in Australia, the Carrick case shows how the misuse of mechanisms intended to facilitate justice, rather than encourage and indeed pressure people into committing criminal offences, can lead to the dismissal of charges. It underlines the importance of responsible policing and upholding the integrity of the justice system. Going to court. Call Sydney Criminal Lawyers on 9261 881 to arrange a free first conference. Watch our latest video here.